Father Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yon Wonders. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today, we're gonna do another science experiment called Skittles experiment. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Here are the things that you will need. You'll need 2 plates, 1 Skittles, and water. Now we will put the Skittles in the plate. We want any pattern if we want. I'll choose orange. Now let's pick.
Wait, me first.
Orange, yellow.
I got with green.
Place the Skittles in a circle around the plate. Be careful as it can be displaced when moving. Now we will pour warm water. Look at that! Amazing! The colored coating of the Skittles dissolves and spreading through the water and moves towards the center of the plate. Let's try another pattern with warm water. A beautiful sight, so colorful. Let's try with cold water. Which one is quicker? Is it hot or cold? Give us a comment down below. So Skittles dissolve quickly as hot water, then cold water.
Thanks guys for watching our channel.
That's it guys. Hope you like our experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
Take a message around Yon Wonders. See you. Bye.
Thank you for watching.